guys, what's up? It's Dosha Pine and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my. So I decided that it is time to get rid of this orange red hair. I'm over it. My roots are coming in. I don't want it anymore. I was saying this thing because I'm like, I don't really want to bleach my hair. I just want to get rid of this color and then put bleach on it. I don't want to do like all these cycles of bleach. So I decided to do this thing I've been seeing, or I found, and it's basically getting rid of the color on your hair without putting bleach on it. Weird, huh? I'm gonna insert a picture of when I bleached my hair the first time. It didn't really get blonde. It was red on top, so it turned orange. So I'm going to do this, and I don't think it's not gonna go blonde because that's not what I had before. I always down here looking crazy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm on the way to 1,000 subscribers. Big little feat for a small, I don't know, but make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and interact with me, okay? Okay. What they said to use is baking soda. Got that. They say use 10 or 20 volume developer, but I only have 30. So, and some dish soap, and then purple shampoo. So they said to use equal parts of everything. So I guess I'll start off with the baking soda. It's not too much in this one. And I have a lot of I'm just gonna use a good amount, I don't know. So one of the girls I watched, she was like, it doesn't damage your hair because it's not anything damaging in it, which is not anything damaging in it, but it's like, girl, you don't know. Does it really not damage your hair? You don't know. Put the purple shampoo, put the dish soap. I have a little bottle of 30 volume can't speak. I have a little bottle of 30 volume developer, so I'm gonna just use the rest of that. I wonder what property in this concoction like really makes the color go away. I'm going to go ahead and stir it up. Can't really, whatever. Can you see? My stupid self, you can say it like this. Okay, my hair is already combed out, although it doesn't look so, but it's already combed out from yesterday. Does that count? It's fine. Put that on. Should I have did sections? Maybe. Oh gosh, I can see this getting everywhere now. So I only saw Caucasian girls do this. And people with not my texture of hair. So I don't know if it's really gonna work. We're here to try. If it doesn't work, then don't do it on this kind of hair. They also were saying that it only works on like certain colors that were on top of the bleach. So, oh gosh. I didn't forget about y'all. I went ahead and worked it all through my hair. I am supposed to put on a plastic bag, so let me go ahead and get that real quick. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for, I'm gonna give it 20 25-30 minutes and check back in. Hopefully this works. But in the meantime, hey, I'm back. It's been over 30 minutes. It's 11:43. Oh, y'all didn't know what time it was in the first place. But it's been a minute. Still looks red to me, but maybe it worked a little, but it stinks too. That sucks. I had hope. I'm gonna go and wash this out and gonna do some conditioning because my hair feels terrible. So maybe it did work a little bit. Okay, before I remove the towel, do you guys think it worked? Comment down below before I remove the towel. All right, so I feel like it did kind of work. It didn't cause I feel like before I bleach or before I put the color on top of my bleach, it was this color. So I feel like it did work. My hair feels really bad. Yeah, cause like look, you can see the blonde way better than you could see before. I think it worked. So I'm gonna be using this Mio Organics hair mask. This is really good. I'm gonna do a whole lot because yeah, my hair feels so bad. You have to really look at the other video that I did when I dyed my hair, but I never really lightened it completely to like a blonde like my roots are. I only did it one time, honestly, because I didn't have any more bleach, so I have to stop right there. Does this work? I think it works, but it's just the way that I started off. Like I didn't bleach my hair correctly in the first place, so it's just back to where I started basically, and that's the whole point of this video. I mean, it can't go back to blonde if it was never blonde in the first place, you know. I think it did well. I would suggest this, definitely. Yeah, just make sure you deep condition it, because girl, my hair felt terrible. Now it feels really good though, thanks to the Mio Organics mask. This is not sponsored, but she did a very good job on this mask. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something. That's my goal for every video that I do. Did you learn something? If so, it was successful, you know, because I am a teacher. A teacher of learning what to do and what not to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Super appreciate it. You stayed to the end. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because there'll be a lot more of fun, you know, fun activities. My next video is gonna be dyeing my hair blonde, which is fun. I think I might do it today. I'm not sure. Might not have time. But anyway, make sure you stay tuned and keep in touch with me on Instagram and Twitter at Doshapan. It's my name everywhere. Anyway, hope y'all have a good one. I'll see you next Wednesday at 2. Bye.